Vericut is capable of catching many types of errors. This is crucial in an environment where even the smallest typo can cause catastrophic failure. Here we have an example of some typical NC code, but as you can see, an error has been commanded. The Z10 command is missing the decimal point. How will Vericut interpret this? Will Vericut behave as if this were a Z10 with a decimal? Or will it consider the Z10 to be 1,000th of an inch? Or will Vericut see this as Z 100 inches? The way Vericut interprets missing decimal points depends on how the Vericut control has been configured. In this example, we see three different options: decimal, trailing, and leading. Now that we know the options that are available, let's take a look at Vericut and see how they behave. Here we have a simple NC program. Let's take note of the x minus 2 inch value that will be commanded on the next line. As you can see, the x-axis moved to exactly where it was intended to go. Next, let's make a quick edit by removing the decimal point to see what happens. As you can see, the x-axis again moved to a value of minus 2 inches. Let's check the word formatting settings to see how Vericut has been configured to handle an x-axis command. Here we see the x-axis setting is decimal. Let's change the setting to leading or decimal and observe the behavior. In this case, Vericut has interpreted the value as minus 200 inches. Next, let's go back to the word formatting settings window and test the x-axis using the trailing or decimal setting. In this test, you can see that the x-axis moved to minus 2 ten-thousandths of an inch. In addition to the settings that we just explored, Vericut also uses the inch format or metric format settings when interpreting values with missing decimals. In our example, the leading setting was chosen, which caused Vericut to start the decimal point on the left and move it 3 columns to the right, resulting x value of minus 200. Using the trailing setting caused Vericut to start the decimal point at the right and move it 4 places to the left, resulting in an x value of minus 2 ten-thousandths of an inch. For more information on this topic and many others, please consult the Vericut help or contact CG Tech support.